Today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this phone holder. It comes just like this, so all you got to do is put this on just like that. It does come with a screw that you could put in the bottom here to tighten this if you like, but this is absolutely awesome. I'm going to show you a couple use cases for this. So you can see right over here. All right, so you can see here, very unique. You can turn this any which way you want. It does go a full 360, so you could move that. We also have a little over here. You could kind of go a little up in height, and you'll see if it stops right over here. That means you're kind of at the max right over there. It does hold thick cases or thin cases. I would say maybe I have a thinner case. I don't even know. But you can see here, very easily holds it. Easy to kind of rotate with the phone on it. The phone does not fall off or anything like that. You could also turn it different angles. So if you kind of want it flat, just like this, you could do that. You could also do it this way as well. People also ask, does it hold a tablet? It does hold a tablet. I have an iPad right over here. And you can see it definitely holds it. You could go either way with this. So if you cook a lot or do recipes, I would say this is more suited maybe towards the phone. I would say when you kind of put it up this way, not that it's shaky or anything, but it's definitely more secure when you have it down this way, just like this. But it is great for the phone, which I kind of like it for. I do like you kind of have this like little loophole right over here because you could easily just put your finger in there and kind of move it along as you like, which makes it really nice and easy to use. And again, you do have the adjustable angle. And again, if you wanted to travel with this, you could just flatten this out. And now you have two pieces right over here. So if you are looking for a great phone stand or even a tablet stand that will turn 360, hold your phone, this is going to be great for recipes and stuff like that. Definitely check this out. I really like this a lot.